Okay, supposedly we are sharing to the screen, and we're recording this to the local computer. This is where the meeting settings are. The first thing you should know is this left-hand menu down here. This will vary depending on what type of account you've got. I'm using the Pro version here, so this will show a lot more than if you're using the free version. If you're using the free version or don't have an actual Zoom account, if you've got the software downloaded but have not actually signed up for an account, you probably won't see the account profile or the account settings or there's like I say, all this varies depending on what options you've chosen, like the webinars or the branding and the meeting room stuff and everything. You won't see some of that if you're in the free account. But anyway, what we're going to be covering is we're going to be covering the meetings and the various options, and you can see there are a bunch of them, a whole bunch of them. Depending on, as I said, the free or paid version, the number of settings, total number of settings that you will have available to you is between 52 and 92. You see, now that's just the meeting settings. Now, if like I say, I'm on the Pro account, so here's the account settings. These are set at the account level. If I have more than one person on my account, for instance, I can add basic accounts to be on my account, free ones. Or if I pay for more than one license and have multiple licenses on my account and give them to other people, they can be on my account. But I can set these to allow those other licensees or not to set these or not. I can freeze these at the account level. And so if I gave Lowland one or J1 or whoever, you can see I can lock these. That means when they go into do a meeting on their account, because their account is a sub account of mine that I own the license, even though their name is on it. They're not the actual owner of the thing. I can keep them from activating certain things, like allowing hosts to put attendees on hold or allowing people to join before they are in the room or whatever. It's, but that's, like I say, these are set at the account level. A lot of them mirror the meeting settings. Some of these also apply to webinars, so you can't really tell, but I've got a worksheet with all of these on it where you can list both your free account, your pro account, and you can copy those spreadsheets over and over again like a template. And so if you have separate use cases where sometimes you let them in before you join it, or sometimes you have them come into the waiting room and use registration and recurring meetings, it's all set. But we'll get into that a little later. This was just a very short thing to show you basically what I'll start covering on the 16th. Thanks for watching.